Good morning, Primary 3. Welcome back to the math session with me, Miss Tere. Wow, now we are in the chapter 4, means chapter 4 will be our last chapter for this term 1. So give applause for yourself. You gotta be proud of yourself because all of you have worked so hard. Now, let's get started, okay? In this meeting, we're going to continue how to solve or how to discuss word problems. In meeting 1, you can see we have learned about lots of word problems, and now I'm just going to continue that by opening up your workbook, page 78, number 2. Now, we will have this story. Goldfish and swordtails. Have you ever pet a goldfish? I have when I was a child, but unfortunately, that goldfish were died a long time ago, so it's kind of sad. But have you? If you want to pet a goldfish, that is so good, but make sure you gotta promise to yourself that you need to take care of the goldfish, okay? So, get back to our business. There were 5,772 goldfish and swordtails in an aquarium. It means that these 5,772 for goldfish and swordtails. It doesn't mean that this is only for goldfish or this is only for swordtails, but both of them are 5,772. Now go to the next. 3,047 of them means that 3,047 from this were goldfish. So much, right? And then another 59 swordtails were added into the aquarium. So after this, at first we have 5,772 goldfish and swordtails. And now we know that 3,047 of them were goldfish. After that, then a man come and put another 59 swordtails into the aquarium. And the question will ask you how many swordtails were there in the aquarium in the end. Setelah ditambahin, ada berapa ya swordtails-nya? Nah, for these word problems, don't forget to draw the model. So this one will be all the fish, 5,772. But we know there are two types of fish in the aquarium, which is goldfish and swordtail. And then we know that 3,047 of them were goldfish. So this is goldfish. Now, and then you are asked how many swordtails were there in the aquarium in the end. At first, do you know how much swordtails in the aquarium? Tahu nggak ada berapa swordtail-nya? Sebelumnya tuh ada berapa sih si swordtail? Now that is the question first. So in this word problem, we will have two steps. First step is finding out how many swordtails. So that's it. How to find swordtails by subtract 5,772 with 3,047. So subtract it as usual. 2 minus 7 of course cannot over 1 will be 12 minus 7 equals 5. 6 minus 4 of course can. So 2, 7, and 2. So we know now that there were 2,725 swordtails at first. But is that a question? No. After we know that there are this number of swordtails, then we know another 59 swordtails were added into the aquarium. Artinya ini ditambahin lagi. Jadi berapa ya di akhirnya tuh ada berapa? How many swordtails? So what do we need? Addition or subtraction? Addition, of course. So just add it as usual. That's it. So there were 2,784 swordtails in the end. As you can see, this is our two steps word problems. The first step is to find out how many swordtails at first. And then the second, we're going to find out we had found out that how many swordtails in the end, which is 2,784. If you have any question, you may ask me. If you keep not understand about it, if you still do not understand about it, you may ask me or you may practice your skill. Now go to the next number. A car race was held for 2 days. On the first day, there were 2,900 spectators. And then there were 729 more spectators on the first day than on the second day. How many spectators were there altogether? Do you know what spectators is? That is penonton. So there were a car race and on the first day there were 2,900 people watch it. And then on the second day or the next day, there were 729 more spectators on the first day than on the second day. So the model for the first day will be like this, 2,900. And for the second day, will it be longer or shorter? Longer or shorter? Now go to the, sorry if you still do not understand. There were 729 more spectators on the first day. More on the first day. So which has more, first day or the second day? First day. So the second day will be shorter. So that is 729. So that's not for the second day, but ada 729 penonton lebih banyak di hari pertama dibandingkan di hari kedua. So that's it here. And then the question will ask you how many, all of them all together. Nah, to find out or to answer this question, we need to add first day and second day, right? We know first day is 2,900, but do you know how many for the second day? We do not know. So what we gonna do? So the first step is to find out the second day. Because the second day's box is shorter, it means that we're going to do add subtraction. So 2,900 minus 729 equals 2,171 spectators on the second day. Now, after this, do you think we can solve all together? Yes, so the step 2 will be first day plus second day, which is 5,071. So there were 5,071 spectators altogether. It's kinda easy, right? Go to the next. Number 4. Jai loves jigsaw puzzles. Do you love puzzle? I love puzzle. On the first day, she placed 1,030 pieces in the correct position. On the first day, she placed 1,030 pieces in the correct position. On the second day, she placed 5 more pieces. So does it mean that Jai only placed 5 pieces on the second day? No, but she placed 5 more pieces than on the first day. So the first day model will be like that, 1,030, and the second day will be more or will be less. Will be shorter or will be longer? Will be longer. Longer how many? Longer 5 more pieces. So that is 5 more pieces. And the question will ask you, how many pieces did she place correctly after 2 days? So for the 2 days means we're going to add first day and the second day. But once again, do we know the second day? Nope. What we gonna do? That's the first step. The first step is second day. 1,030 plus 5 because is this plus this, right? Equals 1,035 pieces on the second day. Now we know that the second day will be like that. And can we solve? How many pieces did she place correctly after 2 days? Of course, yes, by adding it all together. Day 1 plus day 2 equals 2,065. So she placed 2,065 pieces correctly after 2 days. So it's kinda easy, right? That's all for today. Don't forget, next week, 27 August, we're going to have quiz. It's only one chapter, chapter 4. Means the word problems, only the word problems. Don't forget to prepare yourself, be on time, prepare this stuff, and we're going to see in the Zoom meeting 27 August. Have any question or got any question, you may ask me. Your questions are welcomed. So that's all for today, Primary 3. Thank you, keep on learning, and God bless you.